Hello, this video will show you how to make calls directly from Google Meet. First, you'll need to go to the Compton Unified School District website and click on Staff. From here, you want to go into ClassLink because this is one way to just log into Google Classroom, Google Meet, etc. all in one shot. So go ahead and click on that. If you have your username and password, go ahead and sign in. Now your class link is going to look a little bit different than mine. I've created folders and I've embedded my Google Classroom icon into my EdTech folder. But either way, you want to find your Google Classroom and just look for the little chalkboard with the people. Go ahead and click on it so that it opens up. Now the easiest way to call out and not disrupt any of your other Google Classrooms is to create one specifically for calling students or parents. So what you want to do is click on the plus sign, create a class, and you can just call parents, students, or call home, etc. Whatever you would make the most sense for you. Click create. Once a Google Classroom is created, you may want to choose an image that will help to remind you that this is your class for calling home. So you want to come up here to the settings. What Google recently did is they integrated Google Meet into Google Classroom. And you can see that box here with the little Google Meet symbol. And so when you first come to the settings, you need to generate a Meet link. Now this is a link specifically for your Google Meet room. You can always reset this link if you feel like maybe someone is misusing it or you just want to be extra cautious. You can always come to the settings and reset it. It will also automatically make it visible to students. You might not have any students associated with this particular classroom, but if you are going to do this in other classrooms, you can choose to make it either visible or not visible to your students. If it is visible, I'll quickly show you after I save this. What will happen is on the Stream tab, your students will be able to see the Meet link here. So that way, if you tell them that there is a meeting at such and such a time on this day, then they can go ahead and click that link there. But you can always just copy it and post it into Stream or into Classwork. Once you've generated the link, you can either click on it here or you can go to Classwork. This is also where students can find it. If they go to their classwork, you can click on where it says Meet. Either way should work. Once you click on the link, the meeting will open. You'll want to click Join Now. And you can see at the bottom you have the option of adding others. And this is where you'll be able to make the call out. So you can click on Add People. And you can choose from a list of names if you're trying to add them to the actual meeting, or you can click on Call. And this is where you will be able to type in a number on your computer. I actually copied and pasted Compton High School's phone number here. So it may be possible to copy a number from Aries and just paste it right in here. If you have Aries open and you're just kind of going through your class roster. And then once you have the number here, you would just click Call. And the Google Meet will add the person to the meeting by calling that number. You have the option to have a keypad accessible to you, and then you can hang up. Once you end that call and you're ready to add another person, you can come up here to the top, click on where it has an icon for people, and you'll see here there is Add People. You'll click Call, and then you can enter your number or copy and paste it from somewhere else on your computer. Click Call, and your next call will be going out.
Know the party or digit extension, email.
And again, add people, click Call, and then add the number. And when you have all 10 digits, you can click on the call button and continuously make calls. This may be easier, especially if you're documenting the number of times or the person you speak to, etc. It may also be easier if you can copy and paste from Aries. If you have any other questions about using Google Meet or Google Classroom, please reach out.